This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create italic text in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. I have begun to compose an email down here in the lower right corner. To create italic text in Gmail, the first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to create into italics. Say that this top line, I wanted this entire top line to be italic. I'm going to select that entire top line. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across it to where I have the text selected that I want to change to italic. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom down here. And down here on the formatting options bar, if you don't see this bar right here, then you want to go down below here, the A with the underline under it. You want to click on that to where you see the formatting options bar. And right down here off to the right, this I, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says italic. I'm going to click on italic. Now as you can see, that text, that line of text that I had selected is now italic. That is how to create italic text in Gmail using a PC. Thanks for watching.